Hey everyone, I'm Adam Kelly. I just wanted to tell you a couple things in this video. First off, the Penguins ML Agents tutorial has been updated to release 10 of Unity ML Agents. I've had some updates that have been going for a while, and I finally got around to updating that text-based tutorial. So that's on immersivelimit.com. It's one of the most popular pages on the website, so I figured I would update it again. There's more ML Agents content coming this week. I've been recording some devlog videos as I've been working on this new project. This new project kind of has been driving me crazy, but I'm making good progress on it. And I think you're really going to appreciate the collaborative agents that I've been getting to work fairly well. So I'm pretty excited about that. Another really exciting thing for the channel is that we started a Patreon and we have our first patron. So I just wanted to thank Christopher directly for getting us to try out Patreon. We'd been putting it off for a long time. I know it's a great way to support creators online and for creators to not have to rely on advertisements, which you may notice that we do not have ads turned on for the YouTube channel right now. We had them for a little while, but they were barely making any money. It was making like not even $30 a month. And for the inconvenience that it gave to you as you're trying to learn new stuff, it just wasn't worth it for only $30 back to us. So we thought it would be great to start up this Patreon. And as Christopher suggested, it would be a great way for people to support just the YouTube content. You may have seen that we have paid courses, and that's been kind of what's been subsidizing the business of this YouTube channel and the rest of Immersive Limit. But we wanted to create a way for people who are interested just in the YouTube channel and for helping us provide content for people who can't afford to support us. We completely understand that. So for those of you who still want all the free tutorials, don't worry, they're not going anywhere, and we're going to keep creating them because it's provided a lot of value to you and to us, and we've really enjoyed doing it. So that said, if you are interested in becoming a patron on Patreon and joining Christopher, who is our first patron, thank you so much for that. Then go ahead and head over to our Patreon page. We'll put a link, I guess, on the screen, and then in the description, you can check that out. For now, we don't have any like big, huge rewards or anything. The thing we thought we could do is provide a link to videos before they go live officially on YouTube. Basically, Kayla edits the videos and then she uploads them to YouTube, and she makes them private originally so that they'll launch on Wednesday mornings. That's our current schedule. So what she will do is she'll post the link to Patreon early so that you'll have early access. So that's our idea for now. I'm sure you all have seen lots of Patreon supported creators. So we'd love some feedback if you have ideas for what might do well for Patreon. We want to make sure that it still, doesn't prevent other people from really getting a lot out of the channel. But we also want to provide something special for those of you who are able to support us and to support the rest of the community as well. So that said, I'll wrap it up. Thank you so much for supporting us in all the ways that you do already. The likes, the subscribes, the shares, all of that helps us grow. And thank you for watching.